Hi, in this video I will show you how to get Snapchat public profile. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and go to your chats from here, and from the left top you have to click on your profile icon. Once you will click on it, now from here you have to click on your settings from the right top, and now scroll up, and here you will see hook and option. Simply first of all you have to click on the contact me and click on the everyone, go back, and then use my cameo selfies, tap on it and click on the everyone. Now go back. Now you have to select send me notification. It's already selected to everyone, but if you don't have selected everyone you have to click on the everyone. Now view my story, it's custom, tap on it and click on the everyone. Now go back and click on the see me in quick add, tap on it and tick this. Now go back. Now you have to go back and refresh your page, and if your account is eligible for a public profile you will see create public profile. Simply you have to tap on it and now click on the continue, click on the get start and click on the create. So your profile is public now. So now you can upload your emoji, edit profile, choice is your, do whatever you want. So in this way you can create public profile on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.